Unwrapping idioms, served on a platter. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and unravel its mysteries one video at a time. Today, we're exploring an intriguing phrase you might have heard in movies, books, or even in everyday conversations: served on a platter. Stick around as we dissect its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in your own conversations. Let's get started. When something is served on a platter, it's being presented or given to someone with very little effort required from them. The imagery here is of a meal prepared and laid out on a platter, ready to be enjoyed without the diner having to cook or prepare it themselves. This phrase is often used metaphorically to describe situations where opportunities, solutions, or information are handed to someone easily and without much work on their part. The exact origins of the phrase, served on a platter, are a bit murky, as with many idioms in the English language. However, it's clear that the imagery comes from the practice of serving food on a platter, a large flat dish or plate used for serving food. This practice dates back centuries and spans across various cultures, emphasizing hospitality and the act of serving. The metaphorical use of the phrase likely evolved from this practice, symbolizing the ease and readiness with which something is offered or given to someone. To help you understand how to use served on a platter in context, here are a few examples. In the workplace, I can't believe the manager just gave the promotion to Alex. It's like it was served to him on a platter, despite all the hard work we've done. In relationships, she expects everything to be served to her on a platter without putting in any effort to solve their problems. In storytelling or movies, the detective found the clue he needed, as if it was served on a platter, leading him directly to the culprit. Now that you know what it means and where it comes from, let's talk about using served on a platter in your own speech or writing. 1. Highlight ease and lack of effort. Use it to emphasize how easily something was gained or achieved. 2. Discuss opportunities or solutions. It's perfect for talking about opportunities or solutions that appear effortlessly. 3. Express frustration or surprise. This phrase can also convey frustration or surprise at how straightforward a situation or outcome seems to be for someone else. And there you have it, the meaning, origin, and use of the phrase, served on a platter. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of this idiom and how it can be used to enrich your English language skills. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about the colorful expressions that bring our conversations to life. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating aspects of the English language with you. See you in the next video.